Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the fade music for navigation announcements on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can have the music fade when you are receiving navigation announcements on the infotainment system. You can adjust the level that it fades or choose to mute the music altogether when you are receiving navigation announcements. You can also turn the fading off if you prefer. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap Sound. Then tap Settings at the bottom. Tap Entertainment Fading Nav Announce. You can then slide the soundbar or use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the level of volume fading. Closer to the right or the plus will make the entertainment fade more, and closer to the left or the minus will make the entertainment fade less. If you bring the volume slider all the way to the left, you can turn off the entertainment fading altogether. This means that when you receive navigation instructions, your music or other entertainment won't be turned down to hear the navigation instructions more clearly. If you bring the volume slider all the way to the right, then your music or entertainment will be muted when you receive navigation announcements. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.